Today, I'm going to be introducing a new assignment for my class. That assignment is IXL. When completing IXL assignments, they must be completed in the assigned time frame. This means that no late assignments will be accepted. But the good news is that assignments can be completed at home or at school. These assignments can also be completed on mobile devices. So if you don't have access to a computer, a tablet, or an internet-connected cell phone works just fine. Before I show you how to log in, let's talk about how I'm going to grade your assignments. When I assign a skill, your score on that skill is going to be the score in the gradebook. This means that each skill is worth a 100-point homework grade. Your score on that skill is the score that will appear in the gradebook. You can keep working on assigned skills throughout the time period it is assigned to make sure that you reach a score of 100. So in order to get started, you need to go to https://www.ixl.com/sign-in. You need to get your username from Mrs. Underhill, but your password will be student1234. When signing in, be sure to put your username and password in correctly and click Sign In. When you sign in for Mrs. Underhill's class, you will need to go to the Language Arts tab. And you will need to make sure that you selected the correct grade. Once you've selected the correct grade for you, find the skills that Mrs. Underhill has assigned. Let's pretend that I have assigned G.4 under prefixes and suffixes. You would click on the skill and then answer the questions. Every time you answer a question, you're either told that it's correct and given an increase in your SMART score, or you're told that it's incorrect and there is an explanation to help you understand what it is that you did incorrectly. Once you've looked at the explanation, go ahead and click Got It, and then you can move on. Every time that you have an incorrect answer, your SMART score goes down. Remember that your SMART score out of 100 is the grade that will appear in the gradebook. You can answer as many questions as you like and take as much time as you need. So, as a reminder, these IXL assignments must be completed in the assigned time frame. That means that no late assignments will be accepted, but you can complete these assignments both at home and at school when you have extra time in class.